Hey everyone, I'm Satish Kumar. Welcome to my channel Code with Satish. Without wasting time, let's go into the video. This video we'll see how to download Python in different interpreters. First thing first, on set step, type Python. After typing, in the first link is official website of Python, and open that website. And after opening that website, we'll see a lot of things here. Don't click anything here. The download option is here. Please click here. After clicking that, here a button is appear, that is download Python 3.11.2. The version of Python is here 3.11.2. It is the latest version of Python. Click this. After clicking this, the Python will be downloading here. After completion of this download, there are a lot of interpreters are available to work with Python, writing our programs. uh, you can go with Visual Studio, or you can go with Jyputer notebook, or you can go with Pycharm, or you can go with Python interpreter. I mean, ideally, it is first we will see how to write code in Python. I mean, not using any other interpreters, we use Python. Let's go show in folder. After all this, open Python installer. Guys, already I installed in my computer. I'm doing again for you guys. Here I'm doing upgrade now. You got an option which is installer, and uh, in bottom you get add path also. Just simply click upgrade now. It is installing Python 3.11.2 standard library 64. It takes little bit of time because I'm upgrading, not installing. Installation also takes low time. Takes a low time. Don't worry. Here the setup was successful. Click by simply click close and go to start menu. Here search for Python IDLE. Simply searching IDLE, guys, by opening this. This is an interpreter which we can use for writing our programs. Yeah. Then go to file option. After clicking the file option, click new file. Yeah. After clicking a new file, you will get a new window here. Maximize this window. Guys, here we are writing our first Python programming. You guys, The first Python programming is begin with hello world. Everyone I think know these things. Let's start by simply printing hello world program. Print by simply double quotes hello world, and also printing our name of the channel also, code with Satish. Just I'm joking. Don't take it as serious. After after writing your program, simply go to the run option and run module by click run module, guys. After this, a save before run or check dialog box appear. Click OK for saving our program. Simply I'm saving my program somewhere. First first Python program. Guys, you'll get an output hello world and code with Satish. Guys, this is interpreter. You can execute, you can write your code here also. Let's look at this. Guys, I already told you Python language is an interpreter. I mean, it is executed immediately after writing your program or sentence line by line. It executes the code line by line. It not compile. I mean, it not create any class file or anything. It directly running. That's why Python is a dynamic programming language. It do not checks type of the variable and anything. Directly it executes the given current statement. Yeah, guys. After writing my program, simply press enter button. You will get hello world. This is the how to install Python and how to write programming Python shell. And next step is next step is to install how to install Jyputer. Jyputer notebook is a famous notebook, friends, and it contains data science library modules inbuilt. Inbuilt modules are available in Jyputer notebook, guys. Simply we have to download Anaconda. Yes, guys, it is a open source distribution. Easiest way to perform a Python or data science or machine learning or artificial everything, guys. The Open the first link, guys. After opening the first link, you will get this interface. You guys read this Anaconda distribution, everything you need to get started in data science on your workstation. I mean, it has a lot of modules that are related to data science, guys. I mean, data science in that means statistic modules, uh, every module. I mean, numpy, pandas, skippy, scipy, math function, everything comes inbuilt, comes inbuilt. It is an open source, user friendly, trusted app also, guys. You guys see features Jyputer, Cyber, Spider, NumPy, Dask, Bokeh, TensorFlow, Panel, Pandas, Matplotlib, Conda, PyTorch, Anaconda. Read this, guys. Our repository features over 8,000 open source data science and machine learning packages, and called built and compiled for all major operating system and architectures. It is an inbuilt platform, guys. After this, we have press click download button, guys. It's 786. already I downloaded guys. I already done. It appears a dialog box, welcome screen of Anaconda for installation setup. By you know how to install a program or software anything by simply pressing agree, next. Here install for just me, all users. I mean, this just me is for you, only use that in your own system only. If you select all users, uh, it can be used by other person. I mean, we have the domain of the systems, collection of systems. That time we use this option by, it is a destination folder where the installation has completing. After pressing next, already already told you guys, already I installed this program before. That's why a dialog box is appearing. You guys don't worry, by simply pressing next you will get install this program. After successful installation, guys, this is the path guys, it is very important while you are installing this Anaconda. After doing this, it takes some little bit of time because it, it comes with the inbuilt packages. That's why it takes lot of time, but it is little bit easier guys when compared to other interpreters. It provides a lot of inbuilt libraries. That's why every beginner prefers this Anaconda. It is setting up the base environment, working with Python and Jyputer. You can click next button. You will go through Anaconda distribution tutorial, getting started with Anaconda, but I don't necessarily these things because I already installed and I know how this screen will appear. I simply press and finish. After completion of installation, the Anaconda will open in a browser. You guys see here, Anaconda tab is appearing. It is a dialog box for thanks for downloading. Don't mind guys. There it is. Here the Anaconda navigator are appearing, and this is Anaconda. I will close and open for you again by simply searching Anaconda. It gives you guys by simply pressing. It takes 5 to 10 seconds. It is a navigator guys. There are a lot of inbuilt libraries available in Anaconda software. This is so simple guys. For coding purpose, your learning stage, you are in learning stage, this will suitable for you. My English will not good guys, just because I'm poor in English. Don't mind. Sorry guys, there is a lot of disturbance. I'm in room, that's why. Don't mind. Guys, here the navigator, the అనుకున్న navigator open by simply press. We are working with Jyupter notebook, guys. There are a lot of environments are available. Pycharm, professional, visual cool studio. This is a navigator, guys. You can go through which do you want. I just simply click launch button in Jyupter notebook. After opening it, we got this screen by simply pressing new Python 3. We already installed Python 3 by simply pressing. You will get a united, I mean untitled document, untitled IPYNB file, guys. IPYNB file means it is a Python file which has which has interpreter mode. I mean, you can do multiple programs here. I mean, single page you can do how many programs do you want. Let's write our first program in Jupyter notebook. We know already what program we should write here. What program? It's hello world and our channel name. Simply try print hello world. Guys, after writing your program, by simply press run, or there is a shortcut key for running your program. It is shift plus enter. You guys go with that also, but here we run our program by simply pressing this button, run. Guys, look at this. This is the program, hello world. Guys, let's print out channel name also. I'm pretty excited by printing out channel name. Kovel Sadesh. I'm finishing with some dots. Guys, I'm pressing shift plus enter. Code with Satish, guys. And this is how Jupyter notebook will interpret in the programmings. I mean, how Jupyter notebook works with Python. And that's it, guys. And you can go with Visual Studio also. In the next video, I will give a brief intro of Jupyter notebook, how to code and how to save and how to manage files and everything. In in the next tutorials, I will completely teach about how to code, and I'm sure, guys, these tutorials will help you a lot, guys. I'm completely sharing my experience how to code, guys. That's it, guys. Now coding in Visual Studio. Just simply taking a new tab. I'm using shortcut key Control T. There is nothing. By simply typing Visual Studio Code in Google search bar. After entering, the first page is the first link. Click first link and download for Windows. I'm using Windows. If you're using Apple or Apple MacBook or anything, you will go with uh, you will go with this one, guys. Mac OS 10.11. Or if you're using Ubuntu or Debian, Red Hat or Fedora or SUSE, you will go with these links. Then automatically the download will started. Now I'm using Windows. That's why from download for Windows. After downloading it takes, already I installed this one also guys. That's why I'm resuming my download. That's why I'm pausing my download. Don't mind guys. Here that after completion of installation, after completion of your download, click installer. There is a license agreement tab will appear. Take the I accept the agreement. Next, click next. Here these are some paths. If you want an icon on your desktop, then create a desktop icon. And it is some option. It is not necessary for you, but create a desktop icon is enough for to navigate Visual Studio. Then next, I can press next. Guys, Microsoft Visual Studio Code also good interpreter for Python, and every programming language was doing in Visual Studio guys. That's it guys. It is as much as installer will finish. After installation complete, finish. This is my old one guys. After completion of installation, simply search Visual Studio Code in start menu. This is the welcome screen of Visual Studio Code guys. After that, you can directly start with Python. I mean directly create a folder and save file as .py. Then automatically it will run because already we installed Python. Already we installed Python guys. That's why it takes that extension inbuilt of this Visual Studio Code. In the Visual Studio Code, we can do web designing, software development, everything guys. Every extension are available in this Visual Studio Code, and also Jyputer notebook. I mean Anaconda also provide those features. Pycharm also provides those features guys. It is also good. Mainly Pycharm is only for Python guys, but this Visual Studio Code, Jyputer Note, I mean Anaconda, these two things will only work with any language. After installation, here extension bar, click extension bar, search for Python. After searching completed, already I installed this guys. That's why it's not appearing the install button. After completion of install, Here guys, I already installed, that's why this uninstall button appearing here. After installation complete, you will go Explorer by simply pressing open folder, create a new folder, Python. After creating new folder, select that folder. There is it is a dialog box for giving permission to the folder. Yes, I trust the other. The welcome screen and the environment will be created here guys. After that, the, go to Explorer. After Explorer, our folder Python is here. By simply pressing create new file, this is the create new file button guys. By simply pressing, we create first program hello.py guys. Forget don't forget to give this name. I mean, don't forget to mention the extension of Python, because when we not providing our extension, it will not consider it is not Python code. That's it. By simply giving py. Py means Python. Python extension is py. After your typing completed, press enter. Here the interpreter, here the Python file created. After creation of the file, let's write our first program here. Hello world. After writing our first program, go to run start debugging, or you can press F5 also. It is a shortcut key for debugging our programming. Start debugging. Here the current file will run Python file or any other interpreter. It's just asking in which language we have to debug your file. That's it guys. By simply click Python file, there is a terminal. Here the terminal showing hello world guys. Program completed. And this is how we code in Visual Studio Code. And next we have to code in Pycharm. By simply I opened a new tab in Google Chrome and search for Pycharm guys. Pycharm is an integrated development environment used for programming in Python guys. It provides coding analysis, graphic debugger, and integrated unit tester, integration with the version control system, and support web development with Django. You guys know Django is a framework which is used for creating web applications. Python is developed by simply first link, download button. If you are using, we'll go with community guys, because community will offer open source programming. If you go with the professional, then we have to pay some amount for that. That's why we are going with community. After clicking, Python download will started. I also downloaded this one also guys. Already installed Python Community Edition. It is developed by JetBrains, guys. This is also working like this is also working like Visual Studio Code, guys. These are the tips. You can this is the interface of Pycharm, guys, and this is and and this is the ending of the video, guys. And this is the video, guys. If you like my video, hit like button. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe button and bell icon. Whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. If you have any question, leave in the comment section below. And thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Bye.